Every 30 seconds, another senior loses enough leg muscle to make a fall more likely, even if they feel perfectly fine. The slow loss of strength doesn't happen overnight. It begins quietly, right after waking, when your body needs nourishment the most, but doesn't get it. Many older adults start the day with coffee and toast, thinking it's harmless, but this simple habit can accelerate muscle loss faster than age itself. Beneath the surface, your muscles stop responding to protein properly, a condition researchers now call anabolic resistance. Yet a single change in your first meal can reverse much of that damage, restoring steadier steps, stronger thighs, and better balance. Make sure to watch until the end, because the top food on this list works faster than most seniors expect, and missing it could slow down your leg strength even more. Before we dive in, how old are you? Where are you watching from? And how's your health been lately? Leave it down in the comments. Now let's begin. Number 8. Greek yogurt with chia seeds. At first glance, it looks like an ordinary breakfast bowl, but for seniors, it's a secret weapon against the quiet muscle loss that happens after 60. Each night while you sleep, your body breaks down muscle tissue for energy. When you wake up, your muscles are in repair mode, ready to rebuild, but only if they're given the right fuel within the first hour. That's where Greek yogurt comes in. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is concentrated with high-quality protein, especially casein and whey, which are the two types your body can absorb at different speeds. Whey works fast, giving your muscles an immediate signal to repair. Casein works slowly, feeding them for hours, and when you combine this with chia seeds, something special happens. These tiny seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which reduce the low-grade inflammation that often blocks muscle recovery in older adults. Research shows that seniors who eat around 20 grams of dairy protein within an hour of waking experience nearly double the rate of muscle rebuilding compared to those who wait until later. The key is timing. The first 60 minutes after waking are like an open window for your muscles to soak up nutrients. Miss that window, and you stay in breakdown mode for most of the morning. To make this work for you, choose plain, unsweetened Greek yogurt, not the flavored kind with fruit syrup. Add 1 teaspoon of chia seeds and let them soak for 5 to 10 minutes before eating. That helps soften the seeds, improve digestion, and reduce bloating. Avoid adding honey, granola, or sweetened fruit. Those only spike blood sugar and interfere with protein absorption. Number 7. Hard-boiled eggs with olive oil drizzle. It might sound simple, but this breakfast combination is biologically engineered for muscle retention. Eggs are one of the most complete natural foods on the planet, containing the exact ratio of amino acids your muscles need to rebuild. The key amino acid here is leucine, the very trigger that tells your body, start repairing muscle now. And unlike protein powders or fortified drinks, your body knows exactly how to use it. But there's something most people don't realize. The real power isn't just in the white, it's in the yolk. Egg yolks contain lutein, a nutrient that helps regulate energy production inside your muscle cells, especially in the legs and hips. Think of lutein as the spark that keeps your muscles energized throughout the day. In one study, older adults who ate 2 whole eggs each morning gained nearly 30% more leg strength after 8 weeks, without any change in exercise. To unlock even more benefits, drizzle a small amount, about a teaspoon, of extra virgin olive oil over your eggs. Olive oil's healthy fats activate bile release, improving nutrient absorption from the yolk. This simple step helps your body make the most of every bite. Here's the easy method. Boil 2 eggs the night before and keep them in the fridge. In the morning, slice them in half, drizzle the olive oil, and add a light pinch of black pepper. Skip the salt if you're managing blood pressure. It's quick, clean, and rich in both protein and brain-boosting fats. Many seniors skip breakfast because they're too tired or rushed, but this 2-egg habit can be prepared in under 3 minutes, and it gives your muscles the exact fuel they need to stay strong and steady throughout the day. Number 6. Warm quinoa porridge with almond butter. If you wake up with stiffness or an uneasy stomach, this one can make your mornings feel calmer and stronger. Quinoa may look like a simple grain, but it's one of the only plant-based foods that contain all 9 essential amino acids your muscles need for repair. For seniors who can't tolerate dairy or simply want a lighter start, this warm breakfast can gently wake your digestion and fuel your legs with steady energy. Here's why it works. As you age, your metabolism and digestion slow down, Warm meals help stimulate the rest and repair part of your nervous system, known as the parasympathetic system. When you eat something warm and nutrient-dense in the morning, your body switches out of stress mode and into healing mode. That means better digestion, better circulation, and faster muscle recovery. Quinoa is rich in magnesium and iron, two nutrients that over half of older adults are deficient in. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and relaxation, while iron ensures your muscles get enough oxygen for strength and endurance. Adding a tablespoon of almond butter transforms this porridge into a powerhouse meal. Almond butter adds healthy fats and extra magnesium, which help reduce leg cramps, improve nerve function, and support stronger steps throughout the day. To make it, cook half a cup of quinoa in water or unsweetened almond milk. Once it's warm, stir in 1 tablespoon of natural almond butter and a dash of cinnamon for blood sugar balance. Avoid maple syrup, sugar, or honey. They cause quick spikes that interfere with muscle recovery. One small but important step: rinse your quinoa before cooking. This removes saponins, a natural coating that can cause bloating or indigestion. Number 5. Whey protein shake with cinnamon. Now don't let the word protein shake fool you. This isn't just for athletes or bodybuilders. For seniors, it's one of the fastest ways to rebuild muscle and strength, especially if you've noticed your legs feeling weaker when climbing stairs or getting out of bed. Here's why this matters. After 60, your muscles become resistant to protein, a condition called anabolic resistance. It means your body needs more protein, and it needs it faster to get the same effect it once did. That's where whey protein comes in. It's the most efficient, easily absorbed protein available, and it triggers muscle repair in as little as 20 minutes. But here's the secret most people don't know: timing matters. Drinking your whey shake within 30 minutes of waking up gives your body an immediate dose of amino acids right when your muscles are most ready to rebuild. A 2022 clinical study showed that older adults who drank whey protein in the morning gained nearly twice the leg strength in 12 weeks compared to those who took it later in the day. To make it even more effective, add half a teaspoon of Ceylon cinnamon, also known as true cinnamon. It helps balance blood sugar and improves insulin sensitivity. And insulin isn't just about sugar control. It's also the key that allows amino acids to enter your muscle cells. So when you combine whey and cinnamon, you create the perfect environment for muscle repair and energy stability. To prepare, mix 1 scoop of grass-fed whey protein, isolate with water, or unsweetened almond milk. Avoid cow's milk or fruit juice. They slow digestion and blunt protein absorption. Blend or shake until smooth and drink it right away, ideally within 30 minutes of waking up. If you're finding this helpful so far, please give this video a like. It really helps more seniors discover this life-changing information. And don't forget to subscribe to Senior Vital Health for more science-based senior tips. How's your health been lately? Let us know in the comments, and if you'd like to support the channel, feel free to click the Super Thanks button. Every small token helps us keep creating content for you. Number 4. Steel-cut oats with pumpkin seeds. This might look like an ordinary bowl of oatmeal, but when prepared the right way, it becomes one of the most protective foods for aging muscles. The secret lies in a special fiber found in oats called beta-glucan. It's not just good for your heart. It helps calm inflammation throughout your body. And chronic low-grade inflammation is one of the main reasons your muscles weaken faster after 60. Steel-cut oats are the least processed form of oats, which means they digest slowly, giving you steady energy and helping stabilize blood sugar. Unlike instant oats, they don't cause sugar spikes that interfere with muscle recovery. When your blood sugar stays balanced, your body can stay in a muscle-building state longer. Now let's talk about the real star of this combo: pumpkin seeds. These little green seeds are rich in zinc, magnesium, and iron, 3 minerals essential for strong legs, stable energy, and nerve function. Magnesium in particular plays a vital role in muscle contraction and relaxation. Many seniors who experience leg cramps, weakness, or stiffness are simply low in magnesium, and pumpkin seeds help restore it naturally. A 2020 study in the Journal of Medicinal Food found that older adults who combined oats with mineral-rich seeds experienced a significant reduction in inflammation markers, and even reported improved balance and mobility after just 6 weeks. To make this work for you, soak 1/4 cup of steel-cut oats overnight in water. In the morning, cook them for 10 to 15 minutes with water or unsweetened almond milk. Once done, stir in 1 tablespoon of raw pumpkin seeds. Don't cook the seeds. Heat can destroy their delicate oils. Add a tiny pinch of sea salt for flavor, but skip sugar, syrup, or honey. Picture this: a warm, chewy bowl that fuels your legs, keeps your joints calm, and gives you lasting energy for your morning walk. Number 3. Collagen peptides with black coffee. It might not look like much, just a scoop of powder in your morning coffee, but this simple habit can transform the way your legs feel and move. Collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It holds your muscles, joints, and ligaments together, like the scaffolding that supports a building. But after 60, your natural collagen production drops sharply. That's why your knees creak, your joints feel stiffer, and recovery after activity takes longer. Adding collagen peptides to your morning coffee helps replenish that loss. Collagen peptides are broken down into tiny amino acids that your body can absorb quickly. Once absorbed, they go straight to the tissues that need repair: your joints, muscles, tendons, and even the fascia that keeps your legs strong and stable. Here's the hidden bonus. Combining collagen with black coffee doesn't just taste good, it multiplies the benefits. Caffeine increases blood flow to your muscles, helping deliver those amino acids right where they're needed most. It also mildly activates a process in your body called mTOR, the master switch for muscle growth and repair. A recent study found that older adults who took collagen with black coffee improved their leg strength by over 30% in just 10 weeks, with no extra exercise. That's how powerful this pairing can be. To make it, brew 1 cup of plain black coffee. Avoid sugar, milk, or flavored creamers. They block some of the absorption effects. Stir in 1 scoop of grass-fed collagen peptides, about 10 to 15 grams. Drink it within 20 minutes of waking, ideally before breakfast. One small warning: don't use marine or flavored collagen if your goal is muscle and joint support. Those types don't contain the right blend of type 1 and type 3 collagen your body needs most after 60. Imagine starting your day with a warm cup that strengthens your joints, tightens your step, and makes your morning walk feel smoother and lighter. But maybe you don't drink coffee, or prefer something even more nourishing, something ancient, warm, and deeply healing for your muscles and joints. Then number 2 is exactly what your mornings have been missing. Number 2. Bone broth with turmeric and black pepper. This golden drink has been a healing tradition for centuries, and modern science is finally catching up to what our grandparents already knew. Bone broth isn't just a warm comfort food, it's a nutrient powerhouse that helps repair your muscles, protect your joints, and strengthen your bones, especially vital for anyone over 60. Bone broth contains collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, amino acids that directly support the tissues that keep your legs stable and strong. It's also rich in calcium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which are key minerals for muscle contraction and preventing falls. Think of it as nourishment that goes straight to your bones and connective tissues. But here's the real magic. Adding turmeric and black pepper turns this old-fashioned soup into a therapeutic drink. Turmeric contains curcumin, a natural anti-inflammatory compound that helps reduce the small but constant inflammation that breaks down your muscles and joints over time. Black pepper contains piperine, which increases the absorption of curcumin by more than 2,000%, making the two a perfect pair. Studies show that seniors who consume bone broth with turmeric and black pepper daily can experience improved leg strength and less joint pain in as little as 6 weeks, even without changing their activity level. To make this work for you, heat 1 cup of slow-simmered bone broth, preferably from grass-fed or pasture-raised animals. Stir in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Sip it warm on an empty stomach in the morning. Avoid shelf-stable broths with long expiration dates. They're often stripped of gelatin and key nutrients. Instead, choose refrigerated or frozen broths with visible jelly texture when cold. That's how you know it's real. Every sip nourishes your ligaments, tendons, and joints, the very foundation of your mobility and balance. It's more than a drink. It's rebuilding your legs from the inside out. But now, we've reached the most powerful food on the list. The one that top researchers, athletes, and geriatric specialists quietly agree on, a simple food that signals your muscles to grow stronger like they did decades ago. Number 1. Cottage cheese with pineapple chunks. It may sound simple, but this combination might be the closest thing to a morning miracle for seniors who want to keep their legs strong and steady. Cottage cheese is one of the richest natural sources of casein protein, which digests slowly and releases amino acids gradually for hours. That slow release is critical after 60 because your body enters a muscle breakdown phase during sleep. Eating cottage cheese first thing in the morning helps reverse that damage before it continues. But here's where the real secret lies: pineapple. Fresh pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which helps reduce inflammation and improves protein absorption. When combined with cottage cheese, bromelain enhances how efficiently your body uses those amino acids to rebuild muscle tissue. In simple terms, the cottage cheese provides the building blocks, while the pineapple helps your body use them faster and more effectively. Together they make a perfect pair for morning muscle recovery. A 2021 study in the Journal of Nutrition and Healthy Aging found that older adults who consumed casein protein with bromelain had nearly 40% less muscle loss and significantly better walking speed within 8 weeks, even without exercise changes. To make this work for you, use half a cup of low-fat or full-fat cottage cheese with at least 12 grams of protein per serving. Add 1/4 cup of fresh pineapple chunks, not canned or frozen, as those lose bromelain activity. Eat it within 30 minutes of waking up. Avoid sugary fruit cups or flavored versions with syrup. They spike blood sugar and stop the muscle repair process cold. Imagine that first bite, the cool, creamy cottage cheese mixed with the sweet tang of pineapple. Within weeks, your joints feel looser, your balance steadier, and your legs, the foundation of your independence, begin to feel stronger again. Every morning gives you a choice: build muscle or lose it. And this simple combination could be your first step towards strength, confidence, and mobility that lasts. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap what we've covered today. You've just discovered 8 powerful morning foods that can help you maintain and rebuild your leg strength, one choice at a time. From Greek yogurt with chia seeds to warm quinoa porridge, from collagen coffee to healing bone broth, every one of these simple foods sends your muscles a powerful message: grow, repair, and stay strong. It's never too late to start. Even small, consistent changes in your breakfast routine can make a visible difference in your energy, balance, and mobility. Remember, every morning your body decides between rebuilding or breaking down muscle. These 8 foods help tip that balance in your favor. Now, before we end, here's a quick but important reminder. This video is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. Always talk to your doctor or healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, supplements, or medications, especially if you have chronic conditions or take prescriptions. Everyone's body is different, and your doctor can help guide what works best for you. Now, I'd love to hear from you. Which of these 8 foods are you planning to try first? Have you noticed changes in your leg strength or balance lately? Share your answers below in the comments. We read every single one and love connecting with you. If you found this video helpful, please like it, subscribe to Senior Vital Health, and consider clicking the Super Thanks button to support more educational videos for seniors like you. Thank you for watching, and remember, small daily actions lead to lasting strength. Stay strong, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.